The MINGLE high-pressure washer gun is a versatile tool that delivers an impressive 4,000 pounds per square inch maximum pressure, making it suitable for a wide range of cleaning tasks. This washer gun features a wide neck foam cannon design, which helps prevent cracking and makes pouring soap liquid into the bottle an easy task. Equipped with a heavy-duty brass core, both the pressure washer gun and foam lance ensure a strong, leak-free connection and durable use over time. The adjustable foam blaster allows users to customize the spray pattern and water-to-foam ratio, providing optimal cleaning performance for different surfaces. Included in the kit are 5 stainless steel nozzle tips with varying angles, offering flexibility for tasks ranging from car washing to watering plants. The MINGLE high-pressure washer gun set comes complete with a snow foam blaster and brass adapter, making it a comprehensive solution for both professional and personal cleaning needs.